So I'm pretty sure that once in a while you get to park your car in a dark and a spooky spot, specifically where there are no lights, there are no street lights, and particularly all the surroundings are completely dark. I mean, even in such conditions, just like as you're seeing on the screen right now, this footage was shot on my smartphone. And even though it is kind of a main road, but still the street lights are not so bright, and the area and the place where I parked my car is pretty much dark. So in such situations, what happens is, even if you have enabled parking monitoring, you would get a completely dark footage. So if somebody does approach your car in such situations, you probably won't be able to recognize the person's face or their clothes using the regular parking monitoring footage, because that too will turn out to be dark. But what if you could turn your parking monitoring footage from this to this? Now this is the super night vision available on VIOFO A329. This is a specific feature which is available under the parking monitoring settings. This is a 1 FPS time-lapse recording feature with a dedicated super night vision, that is SNV. And what this camera does, I have not seen from any other dash camera. It basically does a very intelligent trick. It increases the exposure time while recording the time-lapse video, giving you more brightness and more light in the footage, converting your dark and gloomy parking monitoring footages into bright, well-lit video footages. Now this is a very practical feature to those who are looking to get some bright parking monitoring footage, especially for those situations whenever you park your car in dark places. So even during normal recording, even during regular parking mode recording, no other dash camera has the kind of feature the VIOFO A329 brings to the table. All other cameras would definitely record parking monitoring footage, but it would be dark because the surrounding will be completely dark and there would be no light. The super night vision feature on the VIOFO A329 removes that problem and gives you super bright, super good looking night parking mode footages. I'm very happy to see this feature in this camera, and I'm hoping many other dash cameras will also start to get this feature, because this is very practical and a very useful feature to those who are specifically looking for some good parking monitoring footage. That being said, if you are impressed with this feature and if you want to have this in your car, go ahead, grab the VIOFO A329 right now. The purchase link is given in the description below. You'll get this in both single and the dual channel variants. The single channel variant coming close to the price of about 33 to 34,000 rupees, and the dual channel variant coming at a price of close to 39 to 40,000 rupees. The purchase links are given right down below, and if you want to get to know a bit more in detail about the camera, I've made a very detailed review video on this. You can check that out as well, and you can even get to know the top 15 features of the VIOFO A329 and why you should be buying this camera in the year 2025. So I hope this video has brought some new info, some new knowledge to you today, and if this video has helped you out, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.